Using Canva allows you to streamly access all the tools, all the information you need, and create a perfect and a wonderful design. You can use Canva for your thumbnail on YouTube. You can use Canva for your CV generation. You can use Canva to write proposal. You can use Canva to make your design. You can turn a landscape image to a portrait and a portrait to landscape with Canva. You can also turn a picture that is black and white. You can turn it to color. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva as a beginner. If this is what you want to see and you want to know all these things, please do well to stay to the end of the video and also subscribe to my channel. If you are my old subscriber, I can't thank you enough for thought how far you have been helpful. And if you are my new subscriber, thank you for watching. But thank you for coming by and thank you for watching this video. Please stay to the end and also give this video a like, share the video for others to see, because that is the only way you can help me in this channel. We are heading to 500 subscribers, and please help me to get me to 500 subscribers so that I can put more content, because your like, your share, your subscription is always helping me, and that is what is keeping me going. Let's dive into the video of the day. So this is my Canva, and I have already opened my Canva. I have a lot of things I've already done here. So as a beginner, when you open your Canva, when you log in and it brings you to this place, the first thing you want to do, or the first thing that you're supposed to do in order to start to create your design, is to come here. Like as you open here, this place is home, like this interface is here. Then you are seeing this Magic Studio because I subscribed for Canva Pro, which I am using for free. I did not pay. Please go and watch my video on how to use Canva Pro for free. Then this is called project. In this project, it brings all the works that you have already done, all the things that you have done on Canva, which is all these things, everything that you have done, all the work that you have used Canva to do. This is what project is all about. Then when you come to template allows you. This is template. Template allows you to make your design. Template allows you to choose the type of thing that you want to make. And we are going to come here. Just going to run through the few things that you will need that is important for you. Coming to this place, when you open this interface, after you might have signed up and logged in, you come to create design. Then it depends on what you want to do. Is what you want to do in video, is what you want to do in YouTube thumbnails, or a website. But in the course of this video, we are going to be using video to create our design today. Then you tap on the video. This video is if you want to make a normal video. Remember the process is how I get to this place I am now. I first of all will sign up, then log into Canva, and it brings me to the interface where I now click on create new design, and it takes me to where we are right now. That is the process. Let's go back. So here, these are the information that we have here. Let's just say that I want to create a design now in this video. I want to create a design. Here is where I'm going to make, like, literally make use of this element. This element is what I'm literally going to make use of in all the designs I want to make, and test in all the things I want to do. Like element allows you to type what you want. Is it like here? Is it a YouTube logo? Then when you click on it, you to bring out a lot of YouTube logos for you. But when you come to design here, design will bring more of the YouTube logo for you. So anytime you type on something that you want here, make sure you bring it to graphics, so that it's going to give you a lot of information. It's going to give you a lot of outcome, a lot of solutions to your problems. I don't normally use photos because photos will not really give me what I really want unless it's so critical, like here. Then I come to test. I click on test. I will type how to. How to use Canva for beginners. I can decide to change the color of this. Then I can decide to change the color of this on how to use Canva. Then here is a heading that you can type. You want a smaller font, which is subheading, you use this one. Then you want to type a long message, you can now use this one. Then when you come back to this piece, like this magic write allows you to, explain something. This place allows you to create a new page. Then let's say I want to take a test. Let me use this one. I will say, what is Canva uses for? Or I can say uses of Canva. Let me just make it simple. Uses of Canva. You see it? Then I type this thing, uses of Canva. As I type it, this magic write, which is this one, allows me to ask Canva the kind of question I want. I want Canva to go into details. Like I said, you can use Canva to create a CV. With this magic write, Canva will literally write for you what the information is all about, what you needed with Canva about your CV. Let's say, okay, describe a job role of a customer service representative. Then this magic write will literally write out the roles of a customer service representative for you. So now I'm going to test it. Use it on Canva. I'll come here and tell it to magic write. Then come here to tell it to continue. Have you seen it? Now it has opened up what I can use Canva for. Like here it said, to design stunning visual for her social media posts with its user-friendly interface and a plethora of a template, she can effortlessly create eye-catching graphics that captivate her audience. Whether she is crafting an inspirational post, announcing a new blog post, or promoting an upcoming event, Canva provides all the tools she needs to make her content stand out. The platform's vast library of image, icons, and fonts allows her to tailor each design to match her unique aesthetic, ensuring consistency across all her branding efforts. Like I told you that the main work of Element is for you to get logos, is for you to get pictures of whatever you want to design, and also told you that to test is for you to be able to write your information, write your description, create your CV, and so on and so forth. Like from this explanation, you can see that the major tools in this Canva is this Element and test. You cannot do without them if you want to create your design. So let's continue. I'm going to delete this. The next thing here, this crafts and these images, all these ones, you get them when you are on Pro. So now you come to this place. This place allows you to seamlessly create the type of font that you want. As you can see, it has created the kind of font I want. Then I can now change it to the text I want from here. Like use it. Did you see? That is what this one do. I can as well take this one and tell it to open for me. And I can also type what I want in this one also for it to allow me to use the font they bring out for me. When you come down, you see a lot of fonts here. You see a lot of them that can allow you to seamlessly create whatever you want to create. Let's bring us to brand. In this brand is for you to set up a template for your brand, set up a template or a logo, set up the information you want for your brand, so that anytime you just want it, you come here and you pick it like that. So from here, this is where you can add your brand logo and add your brand color in the background, then add your brand font, add your brand voice. If you can use a Vocaro to do a voice video, to do a voice audio, and then send it to this, upload it here. You attach your photos, the catalog. If you are into photography, you attach your catalog. Then you come to this place, you add your brand graphics, the type of graphics that you people want, the type of logo, the type of font, the types of the styles and everything. Then you come here, you add your brand icon. Brand icon is what exactly did they use to know you? What would they know you? When they see this icon, okay, this icon is for pharmacy, this icon is for fashion, this icon is for cooking, and so forth and so on. Then when you add it here, anytime you just open and you want to do something, you will see those things pop up for you to just put one or two things, or better still, just take the template like that and download it on your video. So you come to this place here, when you finish your design and you want to download you want to upload a video, you want to upload audio, you want to upload a picture, you want to upload maybe a design that you got from somewhere. When you open this upload, you come to upload files. Then this is where you can, this is my inbox, this is my system storage, where I have all my pictures, all my videos, and so on and so forth. Then this brings you to drawing. What do you want to draw? If you want to draw a line, you can use this. Any type of drawing you want to, you can use it to draw. You want to change the color of this drawing, you can also use it, and as you can see, you can also use it to do it. You come to project. Project, like I told you, like project is all the whole designs, all your graphics that you have done. This is where you can get all of them one after the other in this project. When you come down to this thing, you see app. In fact, in app, this is what makes the Canva to become so amazing, so interesting, that it makes all your design easy, it makes all your design perfect, it makes everything that you want to do in Canva easy and simple in that app. You see that app, there's a lot that you can do in that app, which in this video I will not be able to go into that because it's large. I will not be able to go into the app, but I'm going to just show you the few of them that I have used so far in my design. That is the one I'm going to show you because I don't want this video to be too long. So when I have opened this app, you have a lot that you can do with app. In this app, this is where you have your mockups. If you check my video, you will see where the video I've done on this mockup, how you can create your design with mockup. This mockup is an amazing app. I've done a video on this mockup. Please go to my YouTube and watch it. Go to my channel and watch it. Then this one is image upscale. Image upscale allow your image of low quality to come up. Should in case the image you want to use is of low quality, with the image upscale, you will be able to upgrade it. You will be able to increase the quality of the image to suit the social media platform that you want to use it for. That is what that image upscale does. The next one I have used here is this text maker. I've done a lot of video. If you see my previous designs I did in my YouTube thumbnails from last week, all the whole thumbnails were done with this text maker. I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I'm going to stop here for today and to continue tomorrow. Please do well to subscribe, share this video, and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated anytime I post a video. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye.